Hey guys, so we're gonna go on a bushwalk today, so enjoy our learning. Don't mind me, I might be a little bit, what is it called, clumsy.
Oh, cousin love.
Oh,
a fern, there's a fern with you.
Right, thank you.
Are you wearing Crocs?
Yep. Why? You guys just come on, Charlotte. Definitely did not see that there. Hello guys, it's Steve and a Valentine's on her, even though it's not even Valentine's. Whatever. I get like just sitting at home and just showing my day things. Look at this, this is like $1 million, billion, trillion dollars, guys. Yeah, it's the matching one by one. Then you see something and then stumbling all over them. One by one, hurrah. There's no another prize. Yeah.
The ants stop marching one by one. This here is Charlotte's favourite leaf, the bushman's friend.
Oh.
So she can take a turd in the bush. Here, Charlotte.
Okay. We got you thinking, Charlotte.
Holy.
Tell your mum I saved your life.
Oh, it's going pretty hard out, isn't it? Do you want the camera, Harlan?
Take a GoPro. Neil! Don't get it.
Oh,
I know how to turn it off.
just like, I just gotta make sure it's all the right setting.
Wait. Hold up, hold up.
Oh, what the? Stop.
Alright, stop. Oh, that's it. Wow. Oh my gosh. This beautiful nature. And then we're learning new things through the world and just beautiful. Weird ass people that I've met through the nature. This nature is just where, I don't know, maybe when you watch this video you're going to learn that it's not just inside playing on devices which they shouldn't have made. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Charlotte, should we go down together after?
Go.
I was going to get mad because he just cleaned these.
That's right, go. Oh, she's going to fall! Kick her what she's doing. Oh, it'll be more fun like this to the end. Oh, she's. Oh. Oh.
I forgot that my t-shirt's white. My tummy hurts again.
Me and Uncle.
Alright guys, we've made it so far. Yeah, learning.
No. Jump into it.
It's still going. I'm gonna try it.
Shot. Ready?
My arm.
Oh. Asshole.
We should all go down. Yeah.
Sit down there. Oh. Oh look, she's a penguin.
No, I'll help you. Oh, there's rocks there. Should we do roly-poly now?
Yeah, go. He's sliding at the end.
Go, Sha.
And the next one. Do one more.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
It was boring.
Charlotte, mud fight.
Oh my god! Oh. Oh. Go. Nice. Oh. Oh. Just start off with this.
3, 2, 1, go!
I was hoping to fall in the river. If anyone asks, say that there's been a mudslide.
Yeah.
It's been a mudslide about halfway up. Oh no, the keys were in this. It's not funny. The keys were in the jersey that we slid around in. It's not funny, we're gonna have to go look for them. Why me?
Look at your dress, look at your face.
It's not in there.
Mum had her spare key.
Oh yeah, that's gonna help us, Harlan.
Go like a start, stop, stop.
Hey Harlan, be careful. Don't go in, just stay. Oh, painted rocks.
I'm just scared to go right. Oh, this is beautiful!
It is. Do you want to go right under?
Yeah.
Right under. Oh no, 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 not right in. Like just go right down, right under. Go under and wash your hair and everything.
We got towels.
No? Anyways, get yourself a bit more washed up, eh? Right under. Lie right back. Hey.
What was your highlight? Alright, so today we went around the world and we invented. It is so cool, you guys need to get a break out here in the rain because it's good for your brain. And come on guys, let's go on an adventure. Today we were walking and then we went up to the lookout onto this mountain. And then we started sliding down because Justin started sliding. So we all went down and we did some roly-polies. It was pretty mean as. And then came back down and now somehow we're in the river getting clean because of the hories. There you go. Today was pretty fun. Alright, so today we had an amazing day with Sport Adventure. Now you need to go stop being lazy or being over. If it's fresh, nice and high level, especially because of the rain, you need to get some fresh air, the lungs is nice. You need to go find some mountains or a lookout and then you go sliding down. You have to wait for your dad to do it first. And today it's just not a nice place, but watching this video it's going to hype you up to go somewhere for a walk and get energy. So come on guys, let's go. Waiere Falls. Come on guys, let's try to get this video to 1,000 likes and we'll do a vlog again, exploring different kinds of places. Do you guys want to come? Because we can show you.
Hey guys, welcome to our new channel, Father and All. We're here out doing adventures, me and the kids. And you know, we're just out here.
Yeah.
We're out here. We're having fun. The idea of the channel is that the kids, as they get older, they can see themselves and all the adventures they've been up to. That's the plan with this. So the idea of this is mainly we want the kids to go out and have fun. You know, there's enough people sitting on their computers all day. And
on their phone all day.
This is something we all enjoy doing anyway. And you know, whatever. But you know, hopefully this can give you a look out. You know, like this costs nothing. It costs nothing to go out here and just have a good time.
Apart from some gas money.
A little bit of gas money. What do you want to say?
Don't
You
worry.
want to say something now?
It does cost money actually. You need gas money and you need a poncho. Those are the things. You don't bring your expensive jerseys out there because you don't know what you're going to be doing. Like me, my champion and my lessons pants.
Oh no.
Guys.
You do.
Enjoy. Come on, guys, let's go.
If you enjoy this stuff, you know, it'd mean the world for us if you'd like and subscribe to it. It doesn't cost you anything to do. It means the world to us. Means that we can continue putting out more content. You know, will give us a bit more motivation to carry on doing this. You know, that'd be awesome. Sweet. See you later, guys. Enjoy it.